In today's video we will fix the LG monitor not working with MacBook Air Pro, USB-C, HDMI display settings and the fix guide. So the fix one, you can check the cable connection. Turn off your MacBook and LG monitor. Unplug the cable from the both ends and plug it back in firmly. Then turn everything back on and check the screen. Fix 2, you can select the correct input source. Turn on your LG monitor. Press the input or source button on the monitor. Then select the correct port like HDMI, USB-C or display port and wait a few seconds to see if the screen appears. Fix 3, you can detect display manually. Go to Apple menu or system settings. Then click display and then hold the option key and click detect display if available and check if the monitor shows up. The fix 4, you can check display setting. Open system setting or then click on display. Then make sure brightness is not set to 0. After that, try changing resolution setting and then turn off more display and test it again. Goodbye.